What truly shines on this device is the solid metal build that gives it the feel of a premium wallet without the premium price. Ellipal Wallet app has an eye-catching design and setup was straightforward. Today, we're reviewing the Ellipal Titan 2 hardware wallet. Let's check it out. Inside the box, we get the Ellipal Titan 2 device, a USB A to Z cable, a security adapter, 2 recovery sheets, a micro SD card, and the user manual. First impression out of the box is how heavy and solid this device is. Made of solid aluminum alloy, it comes in at 140 grams, as heavy as some phones, and it really does feel like one when holding it. There's no chance of damage on a bend or twist, passing with flying colors. I haven't felt build quality in a device like this since the Ledger Flex, and that's really saying something. The giant 4-inch screen hosts an IPS color display, which makes this wallet ideal for clear signing or displaying full transaction details. We're also given a screen protector, which is unique, although I'm always terrible at putting these on, and they always end up bubbling. On the back is a camera with a distinctive golden diamond shape, giving an edgy but futuristic look. With this camera, we'll be able to scan QR codes for transactions without connecting using USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. The 1400 mAh battery should last long, as many wallets have puny 100 to 200 mAh batteries. The only way to charge the device is by using the included security adapter, which connects via USB A to C, since the Titan 2 has no charging port. And firmware updates are done through a micro SD on the security adapter, which is included. Do note that the Ellipal Titan 2 is only available on Android and iOS. This is a shame, since some users will want to use the device on desktop or both mobile and desktop. Start by downloading the Ellipal Wallet app from the App Store. Turn on the device, choose a language, create an account. They've also included super helpful info for new users that must be checked off to continue. Then a 24-word seed phrase is automatically generated. Write it down on the included sheets and keep these words safe and away from wandering eyes and cameras. Afterwards, click Next and confirm the missing words on the Titan 2 device. Choose which coins or tokens to start with and click OK. Scan the QR codes on the Ellipal with your mobile wallet and we're into the app. As usual, we get the standard wallet app experience, but I'm a fan of the color theme and layout on the Ellipal Wallet app. Adding and receiving crypto is slightly more complicated compared to most wallets. Once we've displayed the QR code on the Titan 2, open the QR scanner, scan the QR code with mobile, and the token will be added to assets. Then click Sol and tap Receive to get our wallet address. Here you can see both Sol and USDC appearing in my account balance. To send crypto, the Titan 2 has a few more steps than standard hardware wallets. Tap Send and choose the token. Enter the wallet address, token amount, and click Submit. Press Sign on the Titan 2 and enter your password. Click I understand and scan the QR code on the Ellipal app. Once all 4 QR codes are scanned, confirm the transaction details on the device. After pressing OK, scan the QR codes on the Titan 2 device and the transaction is confirmed. We can also buy, sell, swap, and stake crypto as needed. Further exploring the app, view tons of market data such as general overviews and coin market caps. The Discover section allows users to connect to dApps for DeFi purposes. Ellipal uses Wallet Connect, where I was able to connect to Uniswap. It's important to mention that 10 accounts can be created in Ellipal Wallet app. In the device's settings, choose languages, screen lock, update firmware, and view device info. I've never seen pattern passwords on a hardware wallet before. For simple access, I'm a huge fan of this over PIN codes. In app settings, change the screen lock, address book, and more. Ellipal supports 40 blockchains and more than 10,000 tokens. This is below some other competitors who've integrated 100 to 200 blockchains and 30,000 plus tokens. NFT support is only available on Ethereum and Polygon, so it's hard to recommend the Titan 2 for NFT enthusiasts. Ellipal Titan 2 secures the device using the following internal components. First is the SoC or system on a chip. Some example tasks include running the user interface, preparing transaction data, and managing firmware. Next is the EAL 5+ secure element chip, just one rating off the usual 6+ industry standard. This chip generates and stores private keys, runs the crypto routines we see in setup, and authenticates device integrity before signing. Do note that an EAL 5+ certified chip is more than capable for securing your crypto. Speaking of signing, both chips work together to ensure safe and secure operation when we send and receive crypto. To upgrade firmware on the Ellipal Titan II, take the micro SD given, plug it into a computer, and download the firmware off Ellipal's website and onto the micro SD. Then insert the micro SD in the security adapter slot. Plug in the adapter, and the light should turn blue. If it's green, there's a problem. Navigate to settings on the Ellipal device, then press update. Not the simplest way to update firmware, but this strategy helps avoid exposing the device to the internet. In terms of flaws, no vulnerabilities have been found on Titan II to date. But in 2019, Ledger Donjon found multiple security issues with the Ellipal EC01, a predecessor of the Titan II. Long story short, Ledger's findings included the USB port could be modified with physical access, Wi-Fi could be reactivated, and fake firmware could be installed. Whether these claims were 100% true or not, it led Ellipal to remove the USB port and Wi-Fi connection, as well as fully sealing the device, creating the current Ellipal 2 device we have today. Unfortunately for the info available online, there seems to be no public third-party audit of the Titan 2 device in existence. In terms of open sourcing, most of Ellipal is closed source, other than the QR code logic. Closed source parts include most of the app and firmware of the device, including the EAL 5+ secure element chip. Ellipal was founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. The brand has also launched 2 other devices as of late, the Mini and the X Card. On Trustpilot, SafePal currently holds a 3.9 out of 5 rating with 196 reviews. As for the Ellipal Titan II specifically, the device scored a 9.1 out of 10 on 99bitcoins.com, a 4.2 out of 5 on cryptonews.com, and a 4.2 out of 5 on amazon.com. Here's what users are saying about the Titan II cold wallet. Overall, the Titan II is an excellent cold wallet with strong security features, high quality construction, and an easy to use interface. The build quality is also exceptional and feels really good to hold. Google difficulty updating firmware and see all the issues that people experience. If you email support for these guys, you'll be waiting 48 hours each exchange of info. Boo! To get a true idea of Ellipal's reputation, consult their socials, metrics, and read what other users are saying. To contact support, go to ellipal.com and click the chatbot in the bottom right. Let's shakily compare the look of the Ellipal Titan II with other cold wallets we've tested. Next to the Ledger Nano S Plus, Ledger Nano X, Ledger Flex, Ledger Stacks, Trezor Safe 3, OneKey Classic 1S, SafePal S1, SafePal X1, Tangem Card, Tangem Ring, CoolWallet Go, CoolWallet Pro, CypherRock X1, and SecuX NeoX. The Ellipal Titan II is a decent mid-tier hardware wallet. What truly shines on this device is the solid metal build that gives it the feel of a premium wallet without the premium price. Ellipal Wallet app has an eye-catching design and setup was straightforward. The 2 biggest caveats here are the separate security adapter accessory and the firmware updates. It's annoying that you can't just leave it on your desk and just plug in a USB cable at whim. And although I was able to update the firmware, other users have had issues. I also want to mention that QR scanning devices take longer and are a bit less user-friendly than USB and encrypted Bluetooth ones. But if you're specifically looking for a QR code hardware wallet, Titan II is superior to SafePal S1 in both build and usage. So should you buy an Ellipal Titan II? Well, for me, I'm not a big fan of QR wallets due to the added difficulty when using one. I've never personally had a problem with Bluetooth or USB-C, so you need to decide if this style of device is right for you. This hardware wallet is for users looking for an offline solution to store their crypto in a safe way. Now, it's definitely not for new users, as there are far simpler options for a first hardware wallet, such as Tangem, Ledger, and Trezor. So if you want to grab one, check my link below for a discount. And a huge thanks to Ellipal for sending one over. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bammo!